Hey Emily, what's your favorite way you've seen an NCC agent spend their marketing dollars?
Probably on event supplies like table setups and giveaways.
Hey Chance, what do you think are the top 2 swag ideas for seniors?
I would say first aid kits and easy grippers.
Hey Paris, what's your favorite thing about working at NCC?
Probably the company culture, because I think everybody here is pretty chill and everybody has a good sense of humor.
Hey Courtney, how long you been doing Medicare?
Too long.
What's the craziest way you've seen someone spend marketing dollars?
YouTube campaigns.
Was it ads or just videos?
So he does a little bit of both. He has videos posted for his demographic of clients, but he uses the ads to push people to view those videos.